Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the improper integral. It's improper because one of our limits, namely our lower limit, is infinity. Ours is negative infinity, and we have dx divided by x minus 2 cubed. So we're going from negative infinity to 0. It has this form here, part 2, for improper integrals with infinite integration limits. So we're going to follow this form. Before we get started, I do want to integrate this part here so we don't get lost in the process. So if you just integrate, and I'm going to write this as x minus 2 to negative 3 power dx. And if you let this be u, then we'd get u to the negative 3 plus 1 divided by, this will be negative 2. So we have u to the negative 2 power divided by negative 2. So this is really going to be negative 1 divided by 2u, but our u happens to be x minus 2. So that's the integration for this part. Now let's go back to our problem. We're going to write this using our formula for continuous on negative infinity to b. Our b is 0. So we're going to write this as the limit as b approaches negative infinity. So I'm changing this to the b, and then our integral is going to be b to 0. And then write your function dx divided by x minus 2 cubed. All right, now we're going to write the limit as b approaches negative infinity. Integrate this, which we already did, and that was negative 1. This should have been squared here because we had a square, sorry. So negative 1 divided by 2 times x minus 2 squared. And then we're going to evaluate this from b to 0. All right, so let's plug the 0 in, and this is going to give us the limit as b approaches negative infinity. And when you plug in the 0, you're going to get negative 1 divided by 8. And minus, when you plug in the b, you're going to get plus 1 divided by 2 times b minus 2 squared. All right, so basically we have the limit here is negative 8. When you plug in a large number for your b here, this is going to be 0. So you have negative 1/8 plus 0. So our limit is negative 1/8 for our improper integral. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.